Wasn't even recording. Oh my gosh. I just messed that whole section up. We're just talking about all these different signs. The 11th is Remembrance Day. Please put a poppy on your shirt. Vote for the 11th of the 11th. And for the 11th hour, have a minute's silence. Queensland Rail.
Hey mate, down the back car park there's a car park down there with the lights still on. Looks like someone's headed up the barn and the lights stayed on there right down the back. Yeah, a little black car.
The number plate starts with 035. Right.
Thank you.
Oh, excuse me, mate. Quick question. Do you have another one of them Remembrance Day signs?
No.
No?
Up if you come back after it.
After Remembrance Day, can I come up and get it? Because I'm an Army cadet.
He's a local Army cadet in town here. Yeah. You can? Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, man.
On film saying So we're really going to go all the way down there? Just have a quick look from here.
Yeah, just a quick look.
Yeah.
Right down the end is just platform and dark. Same on that side.
Pretty quiet around here, isn't it? Hello.
How you doing?
Not too bad. Staying out of trouble.
Welcome to Caboolture. There's like 5 times to say that.
We must have got it on like 4 this night. It's like a cemetery in here tonight.
Yeah. Behind the yellow dots. Behind the yellow dots. Behind
They
the
must
yellow.
have known we were coming. It's just so quiet, guys. Like, 1 minute things is quiet.
You could throw a rock onto the rails. No, actually, you could drop a pin, you'd still hear it.
Oh, then we had that car road, we had our farm.
Do you want to go up in the overpasses? Go on the other side in the car park?
Nah. Not for much.
True.
Doors to that time, another place.
Have a good one, mate. Pretty fun? Oh, yeah. No.
No biggie. Camera guys. They were everywhere. Apparently they weren't scared of our one, like the courthouse was.
No. See, they must...
Oh yeah, better go down there, I'll get arrested. Whoop, whoop.
See, they must know that they're in a public place. They can get footage. Okay. The courthouse guys, don't go there filming.
Yeah, no,
They will...
They won't even give you the name.
Yeah, well...
They pretend to be police.
Actually...
They pretend to be police.
They aren't, guys. They apparently aren't security guards. Let's get this straight.
You ask them, they're not security guards, but it says it on there.
They're protective services, okay, is what it says. And then their rank slide, if you actually look at it, it says security. Security services or something. Or rather. Cameras everywhere.
Cameras are light around here, don't come in with the charge. You might see me. Me with my one camera.
And me with the camera. Because I'm
Destroyer.
cool.
Go Destroyer.
Crystal Connections.
We have video over there, don't we?
We have to go to Crystal Connections.
That's when they talk about the street value of drugs.
Yeah.
They're talking about this street.
Hey, yeah.
That's the street they sell it on. Crystal Connections.
Yeah, so the first time we come up here and we recorded, well, second time we come up here rather, and we recorded the courthouse, there was this...
Big looking guy, that blue long thing says Crystal Connection.
There was this lady sitting in the park over there. Some of them are quite abusive because they are obviously drunk. Drunk, and there's an RSL club. Important notice. All day parking. You can park here all day. That's about it.
Like Moreton Bay.
Ooh. Don't use their signs. Yeah, so over there. Yeah, it's just quite abusive, but that's because they're obviously pissed or.
See a lot of Asians up here, don't you?
Yes.
They must do good business. Not their things.
Yeah. So yeah, they're either pissed or they're under the influence of drugs. But just.
Not my apparently.
Yeah, apparently you're a criminal. Yeah, remember that. Why, there's people sitting in the corner.
I think I've done more for justice in this area than some police.
Alright guys, Crystal Connections. Crystal Connections. Oh, there's a pizza shop in there. $5 pizza.
That's their warehouse.
Yeah.
The drug warehouse in there.
$5 pizza, guys. Ever hungry?
No parking. Pence only.
Two-way area. Don't know how you can fit 2 cars down there, but hey.
Hey.
Hello. Wee. Do you want to turn the light on? Right, yeah. Crystal Connections, okay? This is the cops' warehouse. It isn't even locked up.
It's a lot of different private property.
Look, it's not even locked up.
And caboolture realty customer.
Look. It's not even locked up. That's the locks there. It's not even lined up. Oh.
Oh no, they got one there.
No, but this door slides. No. Yeah, caboolture real estate is there, really, or whatever it is in that corner there. But this says, what does that say? A camera.
I wonder why.
Crystal Connection. Customer parking only, okay?
No,
two-way area.
They turned the infrared off as soon as we turned up.
Yeah. Actually, take your torch off it. Yeah.
Okay, Crystal Connection.
Crystals.
Crystals.
Next one.
Member of the public had put up here.
Crystals. It's so true. Police are working inside. Me? Are we going to show that?
Crystal Connections all the way down.
Are we going to show?
Yeah, we'll go around the front.
Alright. And if you...
We wouldn't have a drug lab in here.
Yeah, probably. Oh, look, there's a light. There's probably one in there making it now. Creepy.
Look in here. What's in here? They don't want anyone getting in this building, do they?
Yeah, what is in there? Actually, I think that is Crystal Connections.
Yeah, in the front.
That's Crystal Connections there.
Hello.
Cop camera? Crystal Connections camera. Up there.
Who knows?
Crystal Connections is actually in here. It's a nice smelling place, guys. Don't know if it's open. No, it's closed. Nice smelling place. Foot and door training. Yeah, foot and door to get to the cops. Yeah. Courthouse. Police station.
I don't know whether my dodgy camera will focus on it. Queensland Regional Headquarters. Inside there.
Yeah. Kind of get it. Yeah, but that says Queensland Police Service, Moreton Bay Headquarters. Yeah, Moreton Bay Discarrant Headquarters.
Moreton Bay Regional Headquarters. Okay, turn that off.
Alright.
Yeah, he's on the other end.
Courthouse.
If you ever want to buy meth in caboolture, come to Crystal Connection.
No, Crystal Connections is next door. It's actually a shop.
Oh, is that their front?
That's the actual shop.
That's their front.
Yeah, that's the front. See? Yeah. Smells nice. Really nice. Smell that. Yes, they sell jewelry. A whole heap of other stuff. Smells so nice in there. Looks pretty. They're all ready for Christmas already. Alright.
What have we got over here?
Just another car. This is the real estate, man. Well, real estate's alright. Do you want to? So, are we going to go at the back too? On the way back to the car? Just front? Alright. Or we better go over here or we'll get done for jaywalking.
Yeah.
Good citizens. I want to go in and ask them what size pizzas do they do? Because they're $5 pizzas.
What's better business to cover up profit than in real estate? Yeah. Cover up drug profit.
Yeah. Pizza. Yeah, that's why I was just about to go in. He's open.
Yeah.
He looks like a nice chap. Cheaper than Domino's.
Get in it.
Do you really want to go up there?
Yeah.
I don't need a car.
Huh?
It's up to you.
Just before car. Car park was that? Are you over it?
Not really. It's so hot tonight.
It is probably
38.
28 degrees.
Oh, no way.
That's very nice.
Anybody, that's probably a copper. It's probably a copper. Copper? Drives like a copper. Oi, there's my cat. That's my cat.
Some of the little landmarks you got around here can do get by the pole there.
Oi, look at that. This is actually a yin yang kind of thingy, my bob, they've tried making. It was okay until they put these big ones in because they had the actual yin yang kind of look. Yeah. It's not
when you complain about the police assault me, that's what it is.
Wait, what's this? A jail slip. A jury slip, I mean.
Oh, I might even get out of jail for you. There's your hot cup over there.
Did there?
Yeah, it's over there. Oh, no, down there. Where did you real estate is?
Oh, okay. Yeah, it says, no, a jail slip. Yeah, it actually does. It says jail slip. I'm pretty sure. A jail slip. Oh, no, there's another there. Jury slip. Jury slip.
Okay.
Some people can't put their rubbish in the bin. So,
Better than sitting at home in a hot house.
yeah.
Grab the house, getting exercise. This is just ready for hot house. Been here a few times today.
Like what, 4?
Never once stuck in the house and then benches.
Didn't ya?
No.
Haven't you?
No.
I have.
Well, we got some parties. Come here today to get some security guards. No.
Oh, you writ and raved.
We are not allowed past here, apparently, was it?
No, your camera's not allowed past you.
Tried to kick me out of there, I was trying to get formed.
Oi, look how safe that is. I could shove my finger in that gap. Yeah. Well, remind you, this is not allowed to be parked on right here. Glass men were parked here today. The other day. All over here. So we have a normal car, we have a paddy wagon. What else? We have another normal car. What's right down the back there? Oop, paddy wagon. Oh, 2 cars. That's it. Oh, female copper. Female copper. Nice little bush here. How much you want to bet they just got arrested?
No.
No? Female copper? Wait, that's that rude one.
Is it?
Yeah. It is, isn't it?
Nah, that one was plain clothes.
And what do I have to do right now? I'm thirsty, and now guess what else I need to do? I need to go to the toilet. Huh? Yeah. No, I'm just getting a drink. Getting a drink. Would you drink out of this? You know, crackheads probably. Yeah. She's locked us out. Yeah. I can do that for you. Getting a drink. Yeah. Oi, there's that. Is that rude? Oh, it is. It's that rude copper that walked past us that night. That the cameras. Yeah, the cameras weren't recording. Spewing as we all thought it was. And yeah, we had to wait in there for like what, 45 minutes? 45 minutes, and
It was a while. The bloke put his missus up there at the back. He got a big message box on the side, but he didn't care about that.
yeah, like this big copper. I mean, a big copper. Yeah, he just kept walking past us. Didn't even come out. Yeah, that's QPS right there. Oi, I like how they.
Yeah, bro.
Normal picture in caboolture. Wait, I like how they don't even have like the Queensland.
He's just in the handcuff. You can fix that.
Yeah. Oi, like normal Queensland government vehicles, what do they have? Queensland government plates. Don't even have them.
No, well, they are.
Well,
It's just that different branches have QG.
yeah. We'll be back.
Well, the was pretty young. I'm signing off in here.
Yep. Remember?
Look around caboolture.
Let's go.
White and white guys.
Let's go up there.
A lot of things about too much disruption. I can go too far to the street.
There's a lawyer up there.
Coming back here again tomorrow. I want that security guard's name.
We'll be back.
We might have to bring another bunch of bananas. I don't know, guys. We'll see what happens.
Press press like, press subscribe, and press that bell. See yous.